Hello everybody, this is Aaron Dunn speaking. I'm about to show you the third part of the test call to the StraightTalk home phone service line. With this Uniden loud and clear CEZAI 2998, or otherwise known as CXAI 2998 telephone with digital answering system, as you've seen in Jordan Yu's own house, at the shop of Jordan Yu's own house, or basement, I better say. Jordan Yu, this is especially for you, since I'm going to be calling the test line on the StraightTalk home phone service line, so please keep on watching. Alrighty then, now let's test call it using the speakerphone.
Please enter your password, then press pound. You have no new messages in your mailbox. To send a message, press 2. To change your personal options, press 4. To disconnect, press star. Thank you and goodbye.
So that was it, Jordan Yu. This one was especially for you, buddy. Jordan Yu, this was especially for you. This video was just for you, but anyone else may comment on here. So yeah, it's not just for you, but it's for everyone else too. So I just wanted them all to see this test call. Anyways, well, this is the third part of the test call and the final test call I will be doing today. So, may God bless every one of you,